So using keywords, you should use them where you can within your YouTube videos. Use them within the title, use them within description, use them within tags, as well as before creating the video. Actually, keywords are going to become important there as well. Google actually looks at, is able to read the audio content. And you can see that when you go to subtitles and CC, you can go into English, and you can see here that Google is actually reading the text that I'm talking, the audio text. So it's bringing the audio into actual text content, and that means that they can definitely scan for keywords within the audio of a video. So when you are creating your audio of a video, make sure that you are including your keywords within that audio as well. So that transcript of the audio that YouTube is taking in is important as well for determining what the content of your video actually is. And if they are able to detect that you are using the keywords, you can actually rank for keywords that are just audio based and they're not actually put anywhere else within the information and settings of your video. Now, when you are using your keywords, it's important to remember not to sound spammy. Don't just go down and list a whole bunch of keywords at the bottom of your video description, because you could get in trouble for that from YouTube. But just use them sparingly, but also use them effectively within your title, description, and tag area. So there probably is a fine line between overuse and optimized use. But in general, you got to think that this has to be readable by users, and as long as it's readable and makes sense and it doesn't sound like you keep repeating the same thing and that you're trying to stuff your keywords, you should be okay. As well as within the audio of your video, repeating the keywords and might not be the best strategy, but using the keywords and keyword phrases within the script of your video is definitely a good idea to optimize for those keywords. So keywords truly are the basis of everything, and it is that wording that Google is able to detect, and from that wording they're able to determine what your video is about and what it should be coming up for within search, as well as a lot of other number of factors that will determine what it is and where it's coming up from. These are some of the most determining factors where you're using keywords in order to rank for a particular search term within YouTube.